Hello, today in this particular video for Module 4, Assignment 1 for Advanced Educational Statistics, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the SPSS software to run a chi-square statistics test. We are going to assume that the assumptions performing that chi-square are met. As we move through this video, we are going to determine if there's a significant relationship or association between the region of the state and the average salary of the districts in those particular regions. So we have our data file pulled up already. To do this, we'll go up to Analyze, come down to Descriptive Statistics, and we're going to choose Crosstabs to run the chi-square test. So we want to move our region over to our row and our average salary over to our column to start with, to make sure we have both of our variables chosen. Then we'll go to Statistics. We want to do a chi-square and a Phi and Kramer's V. So we will click both those and hit Continue. Then we'll want to go down to Cells and make sure we have observed and expected counts both checked. And then we hit Continue and OK. And we have our results. We can notice we have our regions and then all of our different salaries across there. And we'll scroll on down to our chi-square test results. We show that the value is 917.455, and our asymptomatic significance, or our p-value, is 0.517. Now, knowing that is greater than 0.05, we can then go with there's no significant difference or association in the relationship between the region and the particular salaries of the districts in that region. Once again, we've assumed that all the assumptions are met for performing a chi-square, and we show our p-value here as 0.517, and knowing that is greater than 0.05, there is no significant relationship or association between the region of the state in which the district is located and the average salary. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.